express 0.0725 in the form of P by Q, that is 0.0725 into fraction in simplest form. So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just skip the decimal and write the number you are getting. So we are getting here 0.0725. So this 0 don't have any value. So in the denominator, for every digit after decimal, we have to consider 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, so we have to consider 4 10. Of course, you have to place multiplication sign among the 10. That is, as a multiplication, we have to write 10. For each digit, we have considered 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to reduce this fraction. So how to do that? Look, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the same number, which is called factor. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. If you divide this 10 by 5, you will get 2. If you divide 725 by 5, what will you get? 5 goes into 7 one time 5, 5. Subtract, you are getting 2. Bring down the next digit. 5 goes into 22, 4 times 5, 20. Subtract 2, bring down another. 5 goes into 25, again 5 times. So 145. So 145. Okay. Again, this 145 is divisible by 5 and this 10 is divisible by 5. If you divide this 10 by 5, you will get 2. And if you divide this 145 by 5, you will get what? 5 goes into 14. How many times? 2 times. 2 times 5, 10. Subtract 4, bring down this 5. 5 goes into 45 how many times? 9 times. So if you divide 145 by 5, you will get 29. Okay. So let me take a whole things here. Now, okay. Now we have 29 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 2 times 2 times 10 times 10. So 29, 2 times 2, 4 times 10. 10 times 10 what? 1, then add 2 0. So 29, 4 times 100, that is 400. So this is the reduced form. The common factor between 29 and 400 is just 1. Okay. So there is no other common factor. So we can say that this is the reduced form.